the cops do the best they can. They pull the axe out your face and say, was it the boogeyman?
You want a taste of my brain? Okay, it's yours anyway. A bite of my eye.
This looks like the perfect time to scream at the top of my fucking lungs.
Oh yeah, who's a genius? Have you seen this, seen this, seen this, seen my genius, genius, genius?
Ain't but a nigga fresher than me. Still ain't heard a nigga better than me. See no, she ain't gon' find that nigga that beat that pussy wetter than me. Ooh, better than me. Ooh, ain't but a nigga fresher than me. Still ain't heard a nigga better than me. See no, she ain't gon' find that nigga that beat that pussy wetter than me. Ooh, better than me. Ooh, ain't but a nigga fresher than me. Still ain't heard a nigga better than me. See no, she ain't gon' find that nigga that beat that pussy wetter than me. Ooh, better than me. Ooh.
Bluey! Oh, I know! You, of course. What's your favourite food?
Children.
Oh.
It's just a cigarette and it cannot be that bad.
Honey, don't you love me and you know it makes me sad.
It's just a cigarette.
There is only one rule. Keep the lights on.
I heard that you were talking shit and you didn't think that I would hear it.
You think you're better than me?
Ain't but a nigga fresher than me. Still ain't heard a nigga better than me. See no, she ain't gon' find that nigga that beat that pussy wetter than me. Ooh, better than me. Ooh.
Say it.
I don't want to.
Say it.
Two best friends in a room. They might kiss.
Good.
Yes, we will.
Now kiss.
I don't want.
Kiss.
I'm off to guard the queen. That's my job. Ooh, I'll come too. No, you can't guard the queen. Why not? You're not good at it. I am, really I am. No, you better stay home. But I'm a guard just like you. Yes, but you're not a proper guard like me. Oh, okay then. Bye. Bye.
Okay, so you wanted a tutorial on the mask, and this is that, but it's more gonna be of like a showing you how I did it instead of a tutorial, but still. So I have these two like sticks, one here and one on the top here, and that's what's stopping the mask so that it doesn't just fall down. And these are, I use cardboard. I have the paper with the design and then the cardboard on the back, so it's more solid. And to make it rotate, I have these threads. You can see them here. I just put them through the paper on like the inside face, and then I put it through the cardboard, but I just, if I lifted up the paper, you could see like the thread going through here, and I just taped it in place instead of making a knot, because then there would be like a little bump there. But you just secure the thread, and then you're good to go. And yeah, having the stick in the right place so that it doesn't go too far down or stops too far up. And that's basically it, so bye.